Welcome to PMPA's Final Cut of the Week, where we share important information you may have missed while you were making essential parts. I'm Renee Merker.
And I'm Carly Kistler-Miller, and this is what you need to know for the week ending November 11, 2022. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers, also known as the CPI-U, rose 0.4% in October on a seasonally adjusted basis, the same increase as in September. Over the last 12 months, the All Items Index increased 7.7% before seasonal adjustment. This was the smallest 12-month increase since the period ending January 2022. While this is welcome news, energy prices remain problematic, with the energy index posting 17.6% increase for the 12 months ending October.
New orders for manufactured goods in September increased $1.5 billion, or 0.3%. New orders have been up 11 of the past 12 months. New orders for manufactured durable goods in September were up 6 of the last 7 months and increased $1.1 billion, or 0.4%, which is unchanged from the previously published increase. Transportation equipment led the increase. This was double the value of the 0.2% August increase. Shipments of manufactured durable goods in September were up 18 of the last 19 months and increased $1.1 billion, or 0.2%. This is down measurably from the pace of shipments in August, which logged a 0.7% August increase. Unfilled orders for manufactured durable goods in September were up 25 consecutive months and increased $5.9 billion, or 0.5%.
The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported 806,000 manufacturing job openings in September. This accounts for almost 9% of total job openings reported on the last day of September. Also in September, hires decreased in durable goods manufacturing by 57,000.
PMPA's Speaking of Precision podcast, which was released on Monday, discusses why accounting for credibility is a huge factor in our customers' demand and for our shop's reputation. Our Speaking of Suppliers podcast interviews Lynn Pietrantoni, Paul Allard, and Joe Carr from CJ Winter as they discuss thread rolling and how they benefit the precision machining shops. Our podcast can be found on major podcast platforms or on PMPA.org.
Now it's time for our weekly tip. The weldability of steels is influenced primarily by the carbon content. Carbon equivalents of 0.35 or less are safe to weld without any pre-weld or post-weld heat treatments required. At higher carbon levels, steels may require either pre- or post-weld heat treatment to prevent stress buildup and weld cracking. To learn more about material influences on the weldability of steel, go to PMPA.org's Knowledge Centers or Final Cut of the Week.
And that's our take on what you need to know for the week ending November 11, 2022. For more information and links about any of the topics discussed today, please go to PMPA.org and click on Final Cut of the Week.
Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next Friday.